Lesson number 4. Zopau, Zomi Language. E is English and Z is Zopau. Number 1. How long have you been in USA or state? USA ai kể state. USA na zo bằng tần số ta ahia. USA na zo bằng tần số ta ahia. Number 2. 2 years. Kumni. Number 3. Can you speak English? Mi kang pa na pau thia? Or English na pau thia? Mi kang pau na pau thia? Number 4. Yes, I can speak a little. He tom pau thing. He tom pau thing. Tom pau thing. Number 5. I can't speak at all. Pau thei vet king. Pau thei vet king. Number 6. I can speak perfectly. Siam ma ma ing. Siam ma ma ing. Number 7. Your English is good. Mi kang pau siam ma che. Mi kang pau siam ma che. Number 8. How well can you speak English? Mi kang pau bằng chi chiang siam na hiam. Mi kang pau bằng chi chiang siam na hiam. Number 9. A little. Tom. Let's learn some vocabulary. English. Mi kang pau. Little. Tom. Speak. Pau. Good. Siam or hoi. 2. Ni. Thank you so much for learning Zopau. This is from Midkel Zomi. Today is August 30th, 2014, 11 p.m. Zopau is easy. Thank you so much.